You are going to love the 2021 EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, fog lamps, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, brake assist. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.